Hi everybody, I'm back. Our first card is the Butterfly Spirit, beautiful card, and it says transformation is beautiful. And it's the number 11 as well, which means doors are opening up for us. We've got to believe and trust that the angels are with us at this time of transformation. Um, the next animal spirit is the dragonfly, and truth transcends illusion. There is a lot of things that are coming out now, and whether it's good or bad, we've got to expect the unexpected. Uh, um, there is lots of transformation coming about, not only in our own personal lives, but we can see it around us. This is actually bringing us balance and happiness, giving us a sense of we can go out there and live again, you know. In the past, we worked hard, we overcome so many obstacles, and all to be stable. But the good news is that it's our lucky time now. So move forward with trust and faith in your own abilities. Um, it is time for us to make our own dreams real. So get rid of the clutter in your mind, your body, and your soul, and take time out to heal. We've been through a lot of crap. It's time to heal, and you will start seeing improvements. The bee spirit wants us to know that there's sweet results that are coming our way. This is going to bring us the balance that we need, and we will even get more and that could possibly be in our finances. The fox spirit says that we need to think on our feet, but make rational decisions for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you all for listening. I love you all.